Boom! Guys, 500 subscribers. That is incredible. I am so honored. Thank you for subscribing to my little channel. It is an honor to make these type of videos for you guys. Here's the thing though, you may have noticed my channel's been a little quiet lately. And I promise you it's not going the way of my last channel where I'm like, I'm totally gonna upload, guys. And then I don't. No, I actually had a course on Blender sculpting in 2.8. Or I guess digital sculpting in Blender 2.8, whatever, English words, what are they? And I recorded it. I recorded 15 videos talking about each of the tools, pretty in depth, going into everything, how you use it, what they're for. And then I downloaded the newest version of Blender 3 days later. And after I downloaded it, I realized the UI was totally different. These Blender guys cannot figure out where to put settings and UI elements, and it's driving me nuts because sometimes the beta will have it in this location, and then they'll move it to here, and then, gosh, it's just, brah. So, I'm going to put a halt. On the Blender tutorials. They will be back once Blender 2.8 has fully released, because I don't want anybody to come to my channel and then watch a video and go, hey, where is that setting? And I show it in one location, as you may have noticed in the mesh modeling and texturing courses, and then it's not actually there in the new version of Blender, because people are going to be like, well, this tutorial is confusing and blah, blah, blah. Truth, right? And so I am actually debating whether or not to just go back and redo all of my Blender courses once 2.8 is officially dropped with the new UI, so that people aren't confused. So if you think I should do that, please let me know down in the comments. I definitely am considering it, but I know that once everything gets finished with Blender 2.8, we will probably see a sculpting course and then a retopology course coming out in September to December, somewhere in there. I'll start dropping them weekly. Which kind of brings me to my next point. So for this video, it is not only a celebration that 500 people like this channel, it's also to let you guys know kind of what's been going on behind the scenes. And so we've been doing a lot of Blender tutorials, and this summer I'm going to be uploading a lot of programming tutorials. That's on my list of things to record and edit and upload weekly. And that kind of brings me to what's going on Sir Pinkbeard's channel. I am kind of expanding, not gonna lie, kind of expanding. I want to do more than just Blender tutorials, because there are tons of people doing that. I love helping people grow emotionally, logically, technically, and so I'm gonna kind of make this channel that. We're going to do the technical videos. Those are going to come out on Tuesdays starting in June. They'll just be on Tuesdays, and then we'll have some life skill videos coming out on Thursdays, and then some gameplay videos for those of you that want to watch those on Saturdays. We'll get those out one week. And so I'm going to try to do 3 videos a week, but we're definitely going to stick to that schedule. So if there's a live video, you can expect to see that on Thursdays. If there is a technical skills video, you can expect to see that on Tuesdays. And if it's a gaming video, those will just come out on Saturdays for you to like put on in the background while you're doing whatever thing, or like watch me suck at games. I don't know. So thanks for watching, guys. It really means a lot. This has been a lot of work. I am incredibly happy that 500 people love my channel and are willing to subscribe and get updates. And I'm sorry it's been silent recently, but I just wanted to let you guys know what's been going on there. And so those Blender tutorials will resume in August, September, somewhere in that range, because I've got some stuff coming up in those months. So I want to try to get those done August, September for you. But there will still be some Blender content coming out. So I've got some walkthroughs planned, which you really don't need to know all the UI for. And some stuff that I'm going to be working on over the summer that I want to share. So just know the channel's going to go through some slight changes as I expand and kind of do more of what I want to do with the channel. But I'm glad you're here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.